Hey you guys, so I'm doing a hair tutorial, but I was like, I'm waiting, so why not just do a little makeup tutorial? I'm gonna do something super light, and every time I do light makeup, everybody always wants to see how I do it. I don't know why, because I think I have around 3 light videos on here. It's the same thing, you guys. So I have my to-go bag, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's get it started. So right now I'm using this liner, and it's called Stylist Sculptor from L'Oreal, and I just got this out of Marshalls. I think this was like $2.99 or $3.99, and that's what I've been using lately on my eyebrows. So up to now I'm going in with Toffee, and this is what I used to conceal my under eyebrow area. I'm now going to be using this little blending brush, and I'm just gonna like clean up my under eye area. When I do it this way, it's like smooth, and then when I'm finished with my makeup, it gives me the effect of like me using a shadow under there, which I never do. At least lately I have not been doing that. So today I'll be using ColourPop, and this is the color Deep Dark 190, and I just love this freaking foundation. So I'm going back in with Toffee, but I'm also gonna go in with Kylie. So I just went in with Deep Dark 56 from ColourPop, and now I'm just gonna do my nose with it while I let the sides set. Lately I've been in love with the banana powder from ColourPop. Okay, and this is banana from ColourPop, and it is their setting powder, and that's what I've been using lately because it's giving me that warm look that I love. So all I did was add lashes and white liner, which is kind of scaring me a little, but you know, yeah, I don't know. Anybody who wear white liner know what I'm talking about. It's kind of scary at first. You're like, oh, okay. So now I'm gonna just take off this loose powder and like relax.